Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, please, as you are watching this video, please don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. It's free, so you just click the notification bell button above too, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch my video. And if you're a returning viewer, I really want to say a very big thank you to you guys that always make our chance to watch my videos. So today I am in a village. This village is a village of very rich Igbos. The Igbos are the Igbo speaking people of the southeast, predominantly southeast. Fact, now then get southeast region. We still have some Igbo speaking people in some places in the south, but today I am in the southeastern part of Nigeria, in a very beautiful village that has produced a lot of successful men and women. So kindly watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comments section. Is your village as beautiful as this? Tell me the name of your village in the comment section if it's beautiful, so that I can go there and make some videos about your village. So this is called Abiriba. It's located in Abia state. As you can see, they have some good roads here and really powerful mansions. In fact, this particular video, you won't even be seeing the type of mansions in the previous video. So if you haven't watched the previous video, kindly check there on my channel and you will see a previous video where I did videos of very powerful, beautiful mansions scattered across the beautiful village of Abiriba in Abia state. Please watch the video to the end. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video too.